Welcome to this tutorial on candlestick charts. Candlestick charts are one of the most powerful tools for understanding price movements in cryptocurrency trading. They provide a visual way to see how prices change over time and help traders make informed decisions. In this video, you'll learn how to read candlestick patterns and use them for technical analysis in the crypto markets. Every candlestick has three main components. First is the body, which shows the difference between the opening and closing prices. Second are the wicks, also called shadows, which show the highest and lowest prices reached during that time period. Together, these elements display four critical data points: open, high, low, and close, commonly referred to as OHLC data. Understanding these basic parts is essential for reading any candlestick chart. Candlesticks come in two types: bullish and bearish. A bullish candle, typically shown in green, means the closing price was higher than the opening price, indicating that the price moved up during that period. A bearish candle, usually shown in red, means the closing price was lower than the opening price, showing that the price moved down. The color of the candle gives you an instant visual cue about whether buyers or sellers had control during that time frame. The size and shape of candlesticks reveal important information about market sentiment. Long wicks indicate strong rejection at certain price levels and high volatility during the period. A long body shows strong buying or selling pressure with clear directional momentum. In contrast, a short body suggests indecision in the market and can signal a potential trend reversal. By analyzing these characteristics, traders can gauge the strength of price movements. Certain individual candlesticks form powerful patterns on their own. The Doji is a candle with almost no body, indicating market indecision and a potential reversal. The hammer appears after a downtrend with a small body at the top and a long lower wick, signaling a bullish reversal. The shooting star is the opposite, appearing after an uptrend with a small body at the bottom and a long upper wick, indicating a bearish reversal. These single candlestick patterns can provide early signals of trend changes. Multiple candlesticks can combine to form powerful reversal patterns. The bullish engulfing pattern consists of two candles where a large green candle completely engulfs the previous red candle, suggesting a strong shift from bearish to bullish momentum. The morning star is a three-candle pattern that appears at the bottom of a downtrend. It consists of a long red candle, followed by a small indecisive candle, and then a strong green candle, signaling that buyers are taking control and a reversal is likely. Just as there are bullish reversals, bearish patterns signal potential downtrends. The bearish engulfing pattern shows a large red candle that completely engulfs the previous green candle, indicating that sellers have overpowered buyers. The evening star is the bearish counterpart to the morning star. This three-candle pattern appears at the top of an uptrend with a long green candle, followed by a small candle and then a strong red candle. It signals trend exhaustion and that the market may be reversing downward. Not all patterns signal reversals. Some indicate that the current trend will continue. The three white soldiers pattern shows three consecutive green candles, each closing higher than the previous one, demonstrating strong upward momentum. The rising three methods pattern occurs when an uptrend pauses with a period of consolidation, represented by small candles, before resuming its upward movement. These continuation patterns help traders stay in profitable positions rather than exiting prematurely. To trade successfully with candlestick patterns, you need to follow some important principles. First, always confirm patterns with volume. Strong patterns accompanied by high volume are more reliable. Second, consider the overall market trend. Patterns work best when they align with the broader market context. Third, use multiple timeframes to verify signals across different time periods for stronger confirmation. Finally, combine candlestick patterns with other technical indicators like RSI, MACD, or support and resistance levels for better accuracy. Let's review the key points from this tutorial. First, understand the anatomy of candlesticks, including the body, wicks, and OHLC data, as these are the foundation of chart reading. Second, learn to recognize reversal patterns like the doji, hammer, engulfing patterns, and star formations, as they signal important trend changes. Third, always combine candlestick patterns with volume analysis and other technical indicators to validate your trading signals. Finally, practice identifying these patterns on real cryptocurrency charts to build your confidence and skill. With time and practice, reading candlestick charts will become second nature, helping you make better trading decisions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.